How to free up disk space on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up disk space on Windows 11. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is just follow the simple instructions given in this tutorial. So let's get started. On your system, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on System in the left panel. A new window will appear. Now scroll down and click on Storage. Now, here you can see many options. To free up disk space on Windows 11, click on Temporary Files option. A new window will appear. From here, uncheck all options except Temporary Files. In the top right, click on Remove Files option. A pop-up menu will appear. Click on Continue. So this is how you can simply free up disk space on Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.